Hello and welcome to Dentalkart's YouTube channel. And in today's video, we will discuss about the Waldent LED cordless ultrasonic activator. Let us now see what all is there in the box. First up, we have the instruction manual, ultrasonic activator, three tips, silver tip of size 20 with a taper 2% and 21 mm in length, gold tip of size 20 with a 2% taper and 18 mm length, and blue tip of size 20 with a 2% taper and 80 mm in length. Along with these, the box also includes the power adapter and charging cable, charging base, two silicone protective covers, and a wrench. Moving on to the assembly of the product. First, put the protective cover on the activator head, assemble the activator tip, and tighten it with the wrench. For charging the ultrasonic activator, connect the charging cable to the port and place it on the charging base for stability. There is a white light indicator for charging. It blinks while charging and turns steady once the activator is fully charged. The ultrasonic activator has the following features: lightweight, ergonomic design, smooth surface finish for easy handling, LED light source for enhanced viewing of the canal, Type-C charging for convenience, 3 tips with specific functions, and battery capable of continuous working time of about 4 to 5 hours. Let us now move on to the usage of each tip. The silver tip is soft and flexible, used for irrigant activation in curved canals. The blue tip is versatile, used for irrigant activation in curved canals and for GP removal during retreatment. The gold tip is a powerful tip designed for retrieval of separated instruments in the canal. We will now move on to the steps of usage. To begin, prepare the root canal to the required taper and fill it with the final rinse solution. Next, select an activator tip that fits passively. Now press the button to switch the handpiece on. The indicator light shows when the device is active. As you can see in our demonstration, the bubbles clearly show the vibration frequency of the ultrasonic activator. This simulates how the irrigant is effectively activated inside the canal. Agitate the solution using short vertical strokes for about 20 seconds, taking care not to breach the apical 2 mm. After this, replenish the irrigant and use suction to remove any loose debris. Repeat this cycle of agitation and replenishment 4 to 5 times. The continuous vibration ensures efficient irrigant activation throughout the procedure. Please note, each activation cycle lasts about 20 seconds and the strokes should always be gentle rather than vigorous to prevent any tip breakage. So this was all about the Waldent LED cordless ultrasonic activator. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.